Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This isn't just dance, it's raw emotion in motion. Every step, every move, perfectly timed and full of soul. You can feel the passion, the effort, the story, a true visual masterpiece. This isn't just a roller, it's a full-on food factory. Flour goes in and laser precision blades cut each piece perfectly. Not too much, not too little, just right. Thousands of flatbreads, made daily, with speed you won't believe. Homemade bread is great, but this machine feeds factories, hotels, and stores non-stop. All it took was a small piece of paper and a little imagination. That's how this delicate umbrella came to life. It's not a toy, it's handmade with love. Every fold, every cut, carefully crafted, step by step. It may not block out the sun, but it brings peace to the heart. Some people say crafting is a waste of time, but maybe they've never tried it themselves. Because when you make something with your own hands, it becomes more than just an object.